What kids take from Kidchen Club is not just a recipe of the food they cooked that day, but a recipe for life. We are not here to create the youngest or the most talented Iron Chef, but we are here to assist parents on preparing their children to grow up to be happy, healthy, and well-rounded individuals. We use food and cooking as a departure point to introduce multidisciplinary subjects and essential life skills to children, which allows them to engage in a fun, hands-on, and multisensory learning experience. When a child cooks, they not only learn about cooking itself, but there are so many learning points that they can take away, such as language and culture. When preparing and measuring ingredients, they improve their math skills. When they mix the mixture together and see a chemical reaction, they learn science concepts. Cooking helps with a child's personal development. Cooking is the only activity that allows children to use their 5 senses. A child can get to touch and smell the food and hear the sizzling sound when they stir the vegetables. As cooking is a hands-on activity, a child gets to use and practice his or her fine motor skills and work on his or her eye and hand coordination. Cooking also helps with a child's emotional and social development. Young children have short attention spans, but you will be surprised to see a 2-year-old concentrate so hard on the food he or she is making. They also learn to be patient and work in teams, and at the end, they feel a sense of accomplishment. Parents are always wanting to spend good, quality time with their child, but sometimes they wish they could be more involved with and better at play with their child. Cooking and eating can offer a lot of opportunities for parents to help create a bond with their children. In fact, food creates a great bond between parents and a child from the first meal on. Food is a way of communicating, to say how much one cares for one another. It's more important now than ever for our children to have a basic understanding of food and cooking. Our children should be aware of what they are putting in their mouths. They don't have to be really good cooks, but they need to know what is good and bad for their body. Kids need to learn how to eat smart first before they can be smart at school. This is the reason why when a child leaves Kidchen Club, what he or she brings home is not just a recipe and the food they made that day, but with a recipe for life.